Yes, good morning. Good morning, everyone. So, welcome to your class 1 science class, and we read the chapter Air Around Us and its exercise part, right? And where we completed up to question D in your offline class. Hope you all saw the video. Yes, I'm fine. And how are you? How are you, students? Okay. So let's start science class. Very good. Very good. Happy to know that you all are fine. Okay. So here we completed up to D, right? And here I'm asking some questions from this exercise that to know you all read this exercise part attentively and you remembered it. So, can you tell me anyone that what is the moving air is called? Moving air is called, yes, Gustav gave the answer, very good. Very good. So that is wind. Very good. So moving air is called moving air is called dash wind. Moving air is called wind, right? And next, air has no taste or dash. Do you know that which things that air hasn't? One is the taste and other is it? Yes, not small, Niladri, your spelling is little wrong. That's smell. S-M-E-L-L, smell, yes. Now you get the correct. So air has no taste or dash or smell. Air has no taste or smell. Okay. Zareen, you write again, that is small. Not small, it's smell. Okay. Please check your spelling, that S-M-E-L-L, smell. Okay, Zareen. Next is the air helps in dash. Air helps in dash. Air helps in dash. No, I am not asking that questions. Bithika, Rishabh, Debayon, who write here the moves. Don't copy anything which I asked, answer that only, okay? Yes, air helps in breathing, burning, very good. Very good. So if there is no option of burning, you can write here also breathing. And burning also. Both are correct. Both are correct. Yes. So the next is name two things in which air is filled. You have to give me two names which air is filled. There are a lot of examples which you already learned. So give me two examples which air is filled. Yes, very good, Bithika. Balloon, football. Rishabh said football only. Ayush is not football. Food means which we eat in lunch, in dinner, that's food. It's not football, it's football. Foot, feet, you already learned about this, the body parts, and feet is in our leg, right? So that's this ball we kick by our feet. So that is football, not football. Ayush Bhakot, check your spelling. Yes, now right. Yes, balloon also. So yeah, football and balloon and tube. Yes, very good. Tube also, but it's cycle tube, bike tube, any kind of tube. So the answer is football, cycle tube, balloon, okay. Yes. Now go to the next question where I am asking, that's write two features of air. Write two features of air. I am now erasing that all. And tell me, write two features of air. We already discussed, and now you have to tell me that two features. Very good. Zareen. Write two features of air. Zareen, give me the answer which I asked. Listen my question very attentively. Think that is your viva. Yes, very good, Bithika. But give me the two. Very good, Debayon. Yes, Zareen, now you give the correct answer, but it's only one. Give me two features. 2 points. Mafuzur, first listen my question very attentively, then give the answer. I am not asking about this question. I am asking that write two features of air. Write or tell me two features of air. You can write it in your copybook also. Yes, very good. So there are a lot of features of air. That air can, we feel the moving air. আমার 402 আছে চারশো দিয়ে করে নাও ওই রুমটাই করে নাও চলে তো অফলাইন Yes, so first one is air. Air is present everywhere. Air is present everywhere. Air takes up space. Air takes up space. Next, air has weight. Air has weight. Four, air helps in burning also. 5. Air helps to fly. You know these things which we already discussed. We can feel air, yes, we can feel air, and helps to feel in many things also. Okay, now we are going to the next, that is think and answer. That's your new, right? Question E, think and answer. So here, why cannot we live without air? Why cannot we live without air? So these features hope you all know, which we already discussed in your previous class. So I am erasing it now and go to the question number E at page number 48. Think and answer. So first, why cannot we live without air? Why cannot we live without air? So first you have to think that why we cannot live without air. Then give me answer. Okay? So tell me why. Yes, we need air to breathe. Very good. And others, we cannot breathe. If there is no air, we cannot breathe. Not only the cannot, if you write you cannot breathe, that's meaning little different. So write here, Debayon, that if there is no air, we cannot take breath. Yes. Very good. So why cannot we live without air? Because we need air to take breath. Take breath. That's why we cannot live without air. We cannot live without air. Okay? So we need air to take breathe. That's why we cannot live without air. Did you copy it? Yes. Now go to the next question, that is question number F. Here is the valuable corner question. You know, take the correct answer. There is a statement which you have to think and you have to choose the correct one. That means which you think that is correct. Okay. So here, Yash plans to surprise her mother by decorating the living room with balloons on her birthday. What value does Yash show? Is it love for mother? Is it kindness? Or is it honesty? So, Yash plans to surprise her mother. Did you try to surprise to your mother? Anyone? If you didn't, you try it. Okay, you can try it. When your mother's birthday is coming, that time just surprise for her, give surprise and plan for her birthday. She will be very happy, right? So if you didn't do this till now, you can try. Yes, that is love for mother. Very good. So Yash plans to surprise her mother by decorating the living room with balloons on her birthday. So what value does Yash show? That is love for mother. love for mother, because he loves his mother very much. Very good everyone, that's he showing love for mother, and you all have to show this to your mother, right? That you love her very much. So on her birthday, give surprise her. Okay, so here we completed this question part, and you can see here is one activity. Do you remember what is it? Anyone? This activity, make a sailboat. So have you remembered it? That which, yes, very good Devayon. That's a project. Very good. So have you completed? Have you did this project? Have you started? Which things? Yes, that's project. No, why Mahiyan? Start it. Yes, Bitika. Very good, Zarin, Debayon, Rishabh, who already started. Very good, Debayon. Debayon already completed. Very good, Kaustav also. So this you can take help from this activity also. There is some instruction given here. So if you want to take any kind of support, any kind of option, you can see this page, or if you face any kind of problem, you can ask me also in the e-portal of your chat box. Okay, so that's a make a sailboat, and which things you have to do. I already gave a video, and an online class also I already told you. So hope you all understand. Who didn't start yet, Mahiyan, like Mahiyan who didn't start yet, Debayon, you will get the date of your submission. Okay, that day you have to submit it, but you will get no. Just now ready for it, and when school give you the date of your submission, project submission, that time you have to submit it. Not hurry anything. So you do it slowly, or take it easy also, not hurry up. Yes, so we completed this part, and you have to read this chapter very attentively, because the next class we will start the new chapter, we need water. So today we completed. That's all for today. Who are present in the class, please write here P.